Hi guys! Leo, скажи привет. Всем привет.
Всем привет. We're going to the swimming pool.
So guys,
Всем привет!
yeah, Mom saying hi. So we are going to the beach. Finally, we are going to the beach. So I'm going to show you the beach, the private one. Okay, so we're on the way to the beach. So guys, can you believe the private beach that we always used to go is closed, and it's only available for people who are staying in there, so we cannot go there, and the public beach is very dirty, so we are going to the next, but they have a nice beach, so we need to take a mini bus like that and go outside our city, our parish. It's very uncomfortable situation. I don't like how the situation looks, but cannot do better, can do better, because the security guy told us if we are not staying with them, we cannot come in. We offered him some money, because last time what they did, they were charging people to enter, but now it changed, so if you're not allowed, even if you're willing to pay, once you're not staying there, you can't go in. We're standing at the bus station waiting to go to the next parish. Well, the security said they have better beach, so well, let's test. And I am very sad, I'm very disappointed, like to extreme level, very sad. So guys, can you believe all the people are waiting? You see, all the people, we are waiting to go to this place, because all people, they were thinking like they were supposed to be allowed, but yeah, they were thinking, but they are not letting us in, so we have to look another option, and all the people are going with us to this next beach. So that's how it goes in Russia. You just enter the bus, give money to the driver. It's just so crazy. See guys, I already put my my glasses. I was well ready, but it's just a shitty surprise. But that's how life goes, you know. It's very unpredictable, but this thing, I could never even imagine something like that could happen to us. So we have to look another option. Have to find something else. It's just crazy. I'm so disappointed. Very. I want a car. We can't bother waiting on the buses, and we just want to drive in a nice car. I think this minibus is coming for us. Let's see. No, he's passing. We are waiting about. Oh no, he's gone. So here we are waiting about 20 minutes already. Soon 30. I'm tired. So guys, the bus is so full, and I'm glad Leo got a seat. Leo is sitting there. Two old women, they were so kind to us, so they put Leo between them. And I mean, bus is well packed. I have to stand and hold. Yeah. Vacation in Russia be like, it's not easy, but like how it goes. Welcome to Russia. So guys, we reach. Wow, it's some hotel territory. But you know what happened? The old women, they were holding Leo. They told us that they closed the private beach, even for the local people who live in there. And it's very weird, because when we came first time, it was open for them. They could enter for free, because they're locals, they live there, it's their beach, I mean, they're locals. But this year, nobody, no locals, no tourists who are willing to pay money. No, only people who are staying with them. And like I told you guys, the territory belongs to one military getaway spot, where they I don't know, they buy tickets to go there. I don't know, whatever it is. Yeah. I can't call it spa because I don't know. They just go for vacation there, yeah, and they just swim there, and it's like a closed compound for the military people. But nowadays, anybody can book there. But the conditions are bad. They only have one thing, good beach. But I'm not gonna pay for bad conditions and just because I want to go to the beach, you know. It's just not me. But I know people would do that just for the beach. That's how they make money. But we are here, and this, like, the security guard who located us here said the beach is here good. So let's see what is good. Well, next time I think I will need to Google this place because it looks nice though. Like some 5-star hotel. They have a beach down there and swimming pool for kids. Oh, that looks good. So we took about maybe 10-15 minutes to reach here by minibus. Yeah, and you see guys, we are going down there because it's a mountain road, steep hill, so you better be careful. Yep. And the beach, like great, how they call it, small stones, I forgot, but it's not a sand. Good thing, so we are not gonna be messy. Oh, Leo is glad he sees the beach. I'm just going down. This place looks nice. Alright, so this is the beach. Yeah, that looks good. So it's clean here though. A little crowded. And it's early still though, but the beach is already full, as you see. So guys, can you believe those umbrellas? They only open it for people who are actually staying in the hotel with them. But it's just crazy. Nothing for people. I mean, it sucks because other people, they have to carry their own umbrellas or just sit under the sun and burn. Yeah, but well, I understand it. So people just rebelliously opening those umbrellas because why they are here on the beach? Why they are here on the beach? I mean, open it for people, and if people from the hotel gonna come, we're gonna move. But you can't be like that for nobody. You know what I'm saying? You're not opening it, and you just want people to burn under the sun. It's just crazy. It's crazy. And by the way, the water here is dirty also. Same like where we come from. It's the same situation. It's dirty. I can't stand it. I want to go back to Jamaica. So Leo is going to swim.
How you don't clean any swimming pool?
I don't know.
You don't clean any.
So guys, this is water, but like I told you, it was flooding rain, so that's why the water looks so. But normally, it doesn't look that bad. All right, Leah. It is. Whoa. No, yes, Leah, it's cold. Because the water is cold. Yeah, man, and water is really cold. I'm not sure if you're going to swim in there. It's like you need to just dip your body in it.
How can you swim?
Yeah, just go go there and swim. Just the situation on the beach. People fighting for umbrellas. Oh, this is experience of the century. I'm telling you. No, Leah, don't shoot me with your water gun. Leo has his water gun. You like it here, Leo? You like it, Leo? Do you see, guys? This is a jellyfish. Look. This is a damn jellyfish.
Mama, give me.
No, you cannot hold it, Leo. You can just look. Look. But don't touch it.
It's going to dig you.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. You see, guys? Leo. I'm going to throw it away. So, I don't know. I'm just afraid to swim though. It's too cold. The water is cold. Let me try. Swimming with jellyfishes. Whoa. Surrounded by sticks and other garbage. Guys, appreciate Caribbean Sea, okay? Just appreciate it. I'm telling you. Woo. Try this peach, Leah. Please, one bite. Only one. Just bite it. Please.
Один укус сделай.
It's very tasty.
Конфетку дам. Давай.
Come, try some peach.
Попробуй.
One.
Укуси
Alright.
его.
Come, Leah, see? It's tasty. It's juicy.
It's not a juice. It's not apple.
See, Leah? It's so tasty.
Not tea.
You see? It's juicy and tasty.
немножко.
One bite. Leo.
Это же сок такой.
Leo doesn't want. My mom is trying to get Leo into this water, but a lot of jellyfishes though. Huh? It's cold. Yeah, it's cold. Kiddy. So we found one kiddie pool and we had to pay for the entrance. So 200 rubles is like 400 Jamaican for 1 hour. So Leo can swim here for 1 hour. Yeah, so they actually have like two, one here and one there. They are connected though. So it's like $3 for 1 hour, something like that. But so far it's the best option for Leo because at least he can swim. The water is not so cold like down there. He can swim and it's not so deep. Somebody's toy, Leo.
Лео, куда ты пошел? Как? Водичку в рот не заглатывай, Лео.
Alright guys, so we are leaving now because 1 hour passed, so we have to go. Leo is sad as usual, crying. He doesn't want to go. Yeah, but we have to go. We have a bus, a minibus waiting for us to go back to our place. Alright guys, so we are back home and now I'm going to get ready and we are going to the market. Guys, this is Russian pomegranate and they make juice from it and sell it. Also they sell fruits here and They have a cafeteria here. But guys, like I told you, what is close to the beach is more expensive, so we don't really buy fruits here. We go to the market. It's a little bit down the street. You just go down there. Yeah, but the price is like drops 2 times. I mean, they double here the price. Yeah, so down there, original price. Yeah, but this is a business, so some people who just come, they don't know about it because we regularly come here. That's why we kind of know the tricks. Yeah, and it's not even a trick, just because they probably did the rent more expensive. Look guys, here at the palm tree. Why is so hairy though? Why I did not see in Jamaica something like that. Why did the tree looks like it needed a depilation and hair removal treatment. Alright guys, so Leo's well excited. We found the playground. Okay, I like this playground. Looks nice. Look, it looks cool though. Alright Leo, go play. Here they sell souvenirs, clothes. Let me see what's up here. Some clothes, like beach clothes if you run out of it. But a lot of places they do not accept cards. Oh, Leo saw a shop though. A toy shop. Oh my gosh. Okay, Leo.
Только вот на эту аккуратно нажимать, она такая.
Leo wants it.
Или маленькие купить себе? Большую? Да, вот эту я уже ее проверила, она уже хотя бы работает, может быть.
Ну-ка, попробуй. You see guys, for example here, this is an Airbnb probably, but like they can book it through Airbnb. We have Russian sites like Airbnb and Booking. Yeah, so what they do, they just, if you see, it's a normal 5-floor apartment building. So what they did, they just continue to build it and they add up. So it's like a add up part to the first floor. I have no idea how they get any permission, but yeah, they just extended their first floor and made it a place for rent. It's I have no idea how they get permission to do that, because it's not like their private house, it's apartment complex. Here is like 5-store apartment complex. And by the way, Airbnb is not popular in Russia, and there is a booking.com, but Airbnb no. So most places you just rent them from tour companies, yeah, or you rent it on the place when you arrive somewhere where you want to stay. You try to find people who rent. Actually, if they have something for you, you can rent from them. But Airbnb here in Russia is not an option. Well, they have something on it. It's like it exists in Russia, but it's not popular at all. Those are the raspberries. Это малина, да? Сколько стоит стаканчик? Here is market. They have a market. I'm gonna show you. So now we're going to buy some fresh vegetables. Look guys. And this is like Russian South sweetie. Yeah, it's like they do it only in Russian South. Like it's very popular here. It's called chuchela. I need to try one though. I don't really like them, but it's like when you somewhere in Crimea, Sochi, you have to try it. Yeah, Russian South treats. They have a lot of it. So guys, look, those are the Crimea treats too. Crimea treats. A lot of sweets. So I want to buy this one. I really love this one. Made from sunflower seeds with sugar. They crush it. Yeah, called halwa. So guys, I'm going to eat chebudek, and it's a Russian style patty, so I'm going to show you how it looks. Well, it's shaped like a patty, a Jamaican patty, but it is bigger, a little bigger and a little thinner. I'm going to show you how they cook it.
Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love.
It's a nice chill spot. Look guys, and this is the main road where everybody walk. We sell pizza here too. Leo, I'll make Leo try it. You know, the main difference between Jamaican patty and the Russian style patty is they fry it in the oil, and Jamaican they bake it. So that is the difference. Do you see guys, this is hot, Leo, careful.
This is a patty?
It looks like patty, right? And I bought with cheese inside.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Yuck!
Leo, stop it. Now it's well hot. She just fried though. So that's what it looks inside. Come, Leo.
Давай, дай ему, пусть тоже попробует.
Leo.
It's a cheese.
No, it's nothing. Not a cheese. Come, try it.
Right?
Just very hot.
It's very hot.
Come.
В общем, короче, в следующий раз я буду носить в бутылочки, немножко наливать молока.
Alright guys, so Leo going to try. Sit good.
Is it good?
Yes. Okay. You like it, Leo?
No. No. I don't like it. Before it tastes cheese.
Oh, you taste cheese? That's why you don't like it.
No, this is cheese.
Guys, we came home. We are very tired. We walk a lot here. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. And yep, see you next time.